Welcome to today's edition of Wisconsin Johnson Outdoors. Got off work. Timber and I are out for a quick little snowy grouse hunt today. As you can see, the snow on the ground. Stay tuned. It's going to be a good one. There she goes. Hunt, hunt, hunt. Where's Bird, Timber? Hey, what do you got? You got Bird? Are we done hunting? Or do you want to keep hunting? I just got busted by a grouse. I was too busy paying attention to my dog on the ground, and one got up out of the tree and went right down the trail. Fired twice. I don't know how I missed him, but I did. But I only got about 10 more minutes. We kind of turn around, we're going to head our way back. But we got one so far, which is a plus. So maybe we can find one that we didn't see on the way out. Where is it? Hey, I think that's the one that I shot at. I mean, maybe we wounded it and Timber found it. How many birds we got? Let's go. Come on, hunt. The more I think about that bird flying out of the tree, when I was watching the ground, is probably up in the tree picking buds. Since there's snow on the ground, they're probably not able to find food as easily. So they sit in the trees now and pick the buds off the branches. So the next time I go out, I'm gonna pay a little more attention to looking in the trees and see if I see birds sitting in there. All right, Timber and I are on our way back to the truck. We've got our two birds. The day is over. So thanks for watching. Stay healthy. I think that's how Scott says it, and see you till next time. On the way out, I dropped the bird on the ground. See if Timber will pick it up here coming in. Where is it? Where's the bird? Come here. Oh, there it is. There it is. Good girl.